The case for greater, more efficient, easier to access support has been made for several years now by manufacturers themselves. The growth mission delivers that message loud and clear.
This did start a couple of years or 18 months ago with the Startup to Scale Up report, which was a really good start. But this really is the cherry on top of the cake. But SMEs themselves also need to kick that door open. You know, it's all well and good asking everybody else to stand up for us and do the job for us, but we have to shout loud about what we do ourselves as well. We're engineers in most cases, not marketeers. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't be shouting loud about how good we are, how much we contribute, and what we do for this industry. I think we need to take this report. We need to make sure that it's seen and it's heard everywhere.
The growth mission makes the case for better, more targeted support for SME manufacturers. Next in the series, what support is out there already? How can you access it? And how can Make UK help you further?